Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 14-piece T-handle set. That is pretty interesting. So they are color coded, so the blue is in metric, the red is SAE, and we can see that they are labeled on the handles right there on the base. So this is a full hard rubber handle, and you can see if you look at it, this is a flat end and a flat end. So there are no ball ends on this, which is actually exactly what I prefer because ball ends have a tendency to round off those socket head bolts. So flat ends are exactly the style that I like. Now this handle can provide quite a lot of leverage just because of the length of it, but if you need to get deep into a well, this is going to be the side that you want to use, and if you want to get a little bit more leverage, we can use this side, then use this entire thing as our handle. They do also all have holes, so if you want to hang this thing onto a pegboard, you can do that. So it starts at a 2.5, then we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. Then over here for the standard, we got a 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, and 3/16. We got a 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. Now the only thing that's a little odd to me is that, like, if I was to hold this upside down, I would think that these things would be falling out. This one looks like it did slide out a little bit, but for the most part, they actually kind of hold themselves in place. Like, I can even hold it by the handles and the whole thing holds up. Very interesting design. And it looks like we got a little hanging hook right here. So if we wanted to, we could hang the whole thing on the wall. They are also labeled right here on the hex. So this is a 3/8 and it is chrome vanadium. So yeah, plenty of leverage with this guy. I also really like the length, so I can actually fit my hand in there so I can get that little spin, so I don't have to be just like keep on doing this. Make it work a lot faster. And the flat end on there is just reassuring. So overall, that is a very nice set of T-handles.